Hello everyone, welcome to Math Lala. Hope so you all have watched my previous video. This is my fifth video on converting decimal to percentage, percentage to decimal, as well as fraction to percentage and percentage to fractions. So let's get started. Now first of all, quick revision. What does fraction mean? So let's think about it. So fraction means the ones who has numerator as well as denominator. And decimal means the number, basically in between the number there is a point. So let's say for an example I'm talking about 1.2. So that is decimal. So let's get started. Decimal to percentage. Now whenever we want to convert anything to percentage, we multiply by 100. Whenever, if you want to convert fraction to percentage, you convert it in, whenever you want to convert it into percentage, you multiply by 100. So now let's convert 0.2 into percentage. So what you will do, you will multiply by 100. Now whenever we multiply by the multiples of 10, the wings move right side. Now you will be confused, what does wings mean? Now there are how many zeros in 100? 2. So we will do one wing, two wing. Now what does this mean? That means decimal is shifted here and this decimal goes away. So here you have one wing remained. So you will fill this with 0. So the answer is 20 percentage. This is the sign of percentage. Let's take another example. 0.33. Now we have to convert this into percentage. So what we will do, we will multiply by 100. So 100 means two zeros, and in multiplication the wings move right side. So 1 and 2. This is only when there is a multiples of 10 in the multiplication. So here the decimal moves after the second 3. This decimal moves away. So the answer is 33 percentage. Now moving to the next one, we will convert percentage to decimal. Okay, now in multiplication with multiples of 10, the wings moved right, right? But now in division, now we'll move ahead with one. Let's take one example, 73%. Now this 73%, we can write this as 73 upon 100. Now we have to convert this to decimal. So here in multiplication, the wings move right, right? Now here we will move the wing opposite, left. So whenever in division you have multiples of 10, the wings move left. So basically we are shifting the decimal. Now here we don't have anything. So basically it's 0.0. So here the wings move left. 1, 2. Why 2? Because 100 has two zeros. So 1 and 2. So the number is 0.73. Now let's take another example. Let's take 86.2 percentage. So we will write 86.2 upon 100. Now it's upon 100. So basically how many zeros? Two zeros. So the decimal will move right or left? Left. In division, multiples of 10, the wings move left, and that too decimal will move left. So here the answer is 0.862. Okay, let's move ahead. Now we will convert fractions to percentage. Fractions to percentage. Now here we will take one example, 3 upon 4. Now this is the fractions. Now if we want to convert this into percentage, what we can do, we can directly multiply by 100. Now if you are confused as to how to multiply the numbers of fractions, you can watch my previous video. I have shared the links also. So 4 ones are, now whenever we want to cancel this, you can cancel numerator and denominator only when there is multiplication. So when there is nothing, that means the denominator is 1. So you can cancel 4 ones are and 4 twos are 8, 2 gets carried over, 4 fives are 20. So you multiply straight. 3 into 25 is what? 75. And percentage means you will put the percentage sign. Let's take another example. 3 upon 7. Now when we are taking 3 upon 7 as a fraction, you want to convert it into percentage, you will multiply by 100. Now does 7 go in the table of 100? No. So we can multiply straight. This denominator is 1. So 3 into 100 is 300 upon 7. So now here you know that 307 are not divisible. So what we can do, we can convert this into mixed fraction because this is improper fraction. So 7 is in the denominator, it will come outside. 300 is in the numerator, it will come inside. So 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28 is what? 2. Then again you will take 0 down. Now 7, which number we will take? So 7 twos are 14. Again 6. So you are exhausted with the number. So what we can do over here? We can convert this into mixed fraction. So 42 6 upon 7 percentage. Now here I have also shared the video regarding converting improper fraction to mixed, so you can check my previous videos. So basically today we will be completing the full fractions part. Now here we have converted fractions to percentage. Now we will convert percentage to fractions. Percentage to fractions. Now here percentage to fractions. Let's take one example, 28 percentage. So we can write this as 28 upon 100. Now we know this has numerator as well as denominator. So if we can reduce it to the lowest form, we should reduce it to the lowest form. So 28 and 100 goes in which table? 2, they are even. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10 and 0. Next again it goes in the table of 2. So 2 sevens are 14 and 2 twos are 4, 1 gets carried over, 2 fives are 10. Now can 7 and 25 be reduced? No. So you got the fraction 7 upon 25. Let's take another example, 3 percentage. Again we can write this as 3 upon 100. Now can we reduce 3 and 100? No. So let's keep this as it is. So we got this as a fraction. So remember one thing, whenever you multiply any number with multiples of 10 and it's in decimal, so what happens? The wings move right. But whenever you're dividing with the multiples of 10, so that time your decimal move left. And this is also multiplication with multiples of 10. When we want to convert it into percentage, you multiply by 100. And when the percentage is given, let's say this 28 percentage, you can write 28 upon 100. So basically, we have completed the major part of fractions. You can watch my previous videos, the total 5 videos. You will be cleared with the concept of fractions. Hope so you've all followed my videos. Please do not forget to like, share, as well as subscribe. Thank you.